YouTube, this is another gathering of the car nuts, and we've got two different tasks going on. Frank is going to take on the task of drilling out the holes for the seat belts. We're going to use the original seat bolt holes for our seat belts, and then Frank's going to do some caulking around the roll bar and in the trunk. Tom and I are going to take on the task of putting on door skins on the door. So here we go. Okay, let's do it. Wait a second. Hold on.
Have you raced?
No.
It's a lot of fun.
Oh, I'll bet. You know, when I was a kid, I did street racing, like a lot of kids did, but that was it.
It's a lot of fun.
All right, I don't know if I've got it or not. I don't think I do exactly. This is the part that goes on the roll bar.
Okay.
Okay?
And then you go around here.
And I go around here,
Right.
and under, and back in. No? Looks like around and under.
No, you go through and out. Go through here.
Go through here?
Yeah. Take your thing. Go.
Right.
Yeah.
All right.
And now you bring it out around
Around this way,
and into there.
and that locks it in.
Right.
All right. And this goes on there. All right. All right. Now I got to take it apart again. We'll figure it out. We'll get it on there.
Let me look at it first.
Because I got one twist in there too much. Right? It looks right. I think it looks, I got a twist in here. I don't know what twist that.
Now, is this the right way? You should give him the light too.
Well, I didn't. I should. I thought I was doing this.
Okay, here's the rib I'm talking about. Here's our two bolts we're talking about.
Okay, all right.
Right, here's the center, right about where I am.
Yeah.
Right there, and then there's a rib here. Now I can come this way,
No, I go the other way.
go this way.
Yeah. Let's use the member to help fortify it.
Okay, I can put it right, that's the best place to put it. Otherwise, there's another rib here.
Yeah.
That'll keep that thing from seating properly.
Is that light out there? Let's put it right there. Yeah, that's good.
Goes right about here.
Yeah.
All right,
Well, right there. Put it in the center of it. Yeah.
right there. Okay.
Yeah.
That's another rib.
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, we got it.
Good.
Thank you.
Frank has completed the 5-point seatbelt harness for both sides, and they look good. And we're good to go racing for 2 years. There you go. Now it goes on. The video shows the clip coming off this way.
So Tom was the expert, and he got it out, and you
He
did
got it out on the first try.
on the first try. That's because he's the expert. 60-year-old data, and he still gets it right.
It's all right. This line may have been crooked. So you want to be, you don't have much here. You want to stay up there, about 3/4 of an inch. Okay? so we want to make it a little longer there. A little bit.
If this comes out right, we should be able to flip it over on the other side.
Yes. Make it, see, it's just covering the edge.
Use that screws to hold it.
Yeah. What's going on now? Oh,
It was operator error.
all right. Oh, we gotta do that corner down there. This corner right here. No, the other way. Go ahead.
If you do it that way, you can't flip it. If you do it that way, you can't flip it and get the next one. Oh, you still might only get 3 that way.
I think this is better than
Is the back door card going to be this big?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to put the 2 marks on for the holes?
Not yet. Let's just cut it up first.
Correct, so I was right, because you got it upside down. There you go.
You were right. I think that's good. All right.
You got a bead roller?
I do. You want to put some beads in there? We can put some beads in there.
Strengthen it.
Yeah?
The Martin Brothers would.
Yeah. All right. Let's do that. We gotta lay it out.
It might be stronger and it may not rattle either as much.
Okay.
It's easier than a square ply. So what you have to do is turn that crank. Stand on the board and turn the crank slow. Alright. Yeah, that's good. Even a little faster. Alright, go ahead.
It's all right.
Well, no, it's not already, I can see that.
No, I mean, I mean, is it like attractive?
She wants to know whether we should do the X or not do the X.
Oh,
The X was a challenge too, because we.
yeah, you don't really need the X in there.
I don't think it's attractive,
Really.
that's all.
You gonna be able to use this panel, or you gonna throw it out?
It's cut.
How about we put an A in there for the driver's first initial?
No, because it could end up being a G.
Do what?
It's a little bit crooked on the bottom.
You'll never see it.
I don't care.
The handles go over the top.
I really don't care. It's just fine. It's fine. But it is a little bit crooked, in case anybody wants to know. It matches the design of the vehicle.
I think we've accomplished,
What we set out to accomplish.
yes.
Will that fit on the other side? Will that fit on the other side?
Oh, that's a good question.
So the question was, will it fit on the other side?
Oh, we got the door handles on it. And you gotta get it in that groove. There you go. Looks pretty good to me. That doesn't line up, does it? Oh, that's a,
It's got the knob on it, that one looks pretty good.
yeah,
Oh,
that'll work.
so they're not different then?
Nope,
Good.
this is the back side.
No, but the two sides aren't different. That's good.
Yeah, you should.
That's what I was wondering about. Would they be like different?
Supposed to be able to do that, but you don't know if GM did that.
Well, not in the 50s.
Well, you can't, because the padding can be on the wrong side.
Yeah.
We're getting close. We need to do a little bit more oral sanding here. This will get painted anyway. We have to trim a little bit more to get it to fit just right. And these holes need to be bigger because the back side of the handle needs a hole that size. So we have to make that hole bigger so that that handle will go on. This is what Tom and I came up with. And I think we did pretty good. The edges meet the way it should. It only took 3 panels to get there. That was the first one, and we had too much pressure. We actually cut through the aluminum, and the consensus was that we didn't like the X. So this was the second one, and the problem with that is I missed a corner. So on the third one, I outlined the corners before I made them, and this was the result. Of course, we have to paint it to match the rest of the interior. Two coats of primer. That's coat number 1. This is the final coat. Of the top coat, we have 2 coats of primer. And now we'll have 2 coats of top. Okay, we'll let that dry. I think we accomplished what we set out to do, and there will be more.
I'm sure there will be more.
Gotta be more.
Okay.
There's always more.